Hello world, welcome to Gen AI LLM at the Red Shift channel. So today we will see the continuation of the previous tutorial, and here we will start with the coding of the agents. So here we have to install first transformer agent that you can see on the screen. Pip install transformer agents. This will help you download. If required already is there, then it will not again download it. So to start with, please install the agent extras in order to install all the default dependencies. The idea here is to build your LLM engine by defining an LLM engine method which accepts a list of messages and return text. This callable also need to accept a stop argument that indicate when to stop the generating. So you can see here from Hugging Face we are importing login and inference client. So login here you have to give your token. So based on your subscription it will have basic and pro. So for this video you need the pro one, but I will let you go through the entire code so you can understand the things, and maybe you can do it in future very easily. So the here client is mentioned, inference client I am using here, and I am calling a model Meta Llama, that is a Facebook new name, Meta Llama 370 billion instruct. So it's trained on 70 billion parameters. There is a method def LLM engine where we are passing the message, and the stop sequence where we want the stop the process. So here the task is the stop sequence response client dot chat completion message stop, and maximum token we want 1000. The answer is response that we get on that choice is 0, this format, and then you can see the message and the content, and it will return the answer. Now you can create an agent like code agent and run it. You can also create a transformer engine with a pre-initialized pipeline to run inferences on your local machine using transformers. For convenience, since agentic behavior generally requires a strong model such as Llama 3.1 70 billion instruct that are harder to run on the local machines, we provide you the Hugging Face API engine class that initializes a Hugging Face underscore hub dot inference client under the hood that will help you to run it. You can see here from transformer we are importing the code agent and HF, that is Hugging Face API engine. We are defining that LLM engine. Here the LLM in HF API engine we are defining the Meta Llama 370 billion instruct. Then an agent, how we are initializing, we are calling a code agent. We are defining the tools as we have discussed before. They are the predefined capabilities that can be used by an agent. So agent basically are the softwares which are using the LLM engines as their brain and tools as their hands or the methods to do the more refined output for the uh, desired question asked. So LLM engine we are already defined here. Add base tool true. Basic tools will be all predefined available. So here is the question. Agent.run, could you translate this sentence from French? Say it out loud and return the audio. Sentence is Osti la Bulgaria la plus proche. So it will give me the answer. I cannot let you hear in this video, but it is giving me the answer. Second is without defining the LLM engine also, you can directly use the React code agent. Where see agent React code agent tool LLM engine is here or base true. Fine. So previous is code agent and the second one is React code agent. We have seen the differences that how it is going through multiple steps and the output in the JSON format. So that is the concept here. Here also legend.run, why does Mike not know many people in the New York? So this is a particular recording mp3 that will help you to see the output. If you have the pro subscription, you will just run that print agent.system pro template, then it will give you the output and you can hear it. The code execution of the React code agent React code agent tool we are defining here additional authorized imports request and bs4. So what this time agent is what we are running it agent.run, could you get me the title of the page of this particular blog? So the agent is running back in the background and it's giving me, yeah, the title is Hugging Face blog. So it is working on that format. It is directly scrapping in the backend and request we are giving. So this is the tool, authorized import tool and BS4s. Okay. For maximum flexibility, you can override the whole system prompt template by passing your own custom prompts, so that as an argument to the system prompt parameter. See, like here from transformer we are importing React JSON transfer agent. From transformer.agent import Python interpreter tool. So agent React JSON agent tool we are using Python interpreter tool. And system prompt, any custom prompt you can give. So you have the maximum flexibility that you can override the whole system prompt based on your requirement. The default toolbox transformer comes with a default toolbox for empowering agents that can be added to your agent upon initialization with argument such as add base tool is equal to true that we have seen before. So all default will be added here. See, document question answering. Given a document such as PDF in image format, answer a question on this document. Donut images question answer, giving an image answer question on in the field speech to text also is a default tool already. Given an audio recording of a person talking, transcribe the speech into text. Whisper can be used here. Text to speech, convert text to speech. You can use text to transformer T5 also. Translation, that translate a given sentence from source language to target language. DuckDuckGo search also you can use in the tool to perform the web scrolling. And DuckDuck browser, so you can manually use a tool by calling load tool function and task to perform. Like load tool we are calling here from transformer import load tool. Tool is load tool text to speech, as we have seen earlier. It will upload that particular tool, and then audio you just pass the tool and give this is a text to speech tool, then it will give you output in the audio format. Similarly, if you want a text classification, you need to just define the task here as a text classification. Model, next iterator, then list model, filter task, short download, and action one it will give you directly. So you can see here the model I am just printing here. It's cross encoder MS macro mini LM L6 version 2. Fine. So this way you can use this particular model and give your task, and you can take the output. Now see, this code can be quickly converted into a tool just by wrapping it a function and adding a tool decorator. Following code is there. We are just importing tool here from the transformer. We are providing a decorator tool. So model download tool. This is a new tool that we have created. Tasks string we are passing. This is a tool that returns most downloadable model of a given task from the Hugging Face hub. It returns the name of the checkpoints. So argument the task for which we want to write here the task in argument we will define it. Then model, it will iterate through all those things, filter classification, it will sort it based on the download in direction, and then it will give that model ID just before, like here you have seen here. The function needs a clear name should be needed. The name usually describe what the tool does. So since the code returns the model with the most downloadable downloads for a task, let's put most model download tool. So we can put a model download tool here. Earlier you saw that we have created our own tool here, define model download tool. We have defined how it have to do the function. Filter is test classification model. So it is performing all those things. So here code agent is used. We have provided them a tool which has a predefined tool also that we have given, that they have to download a text classification most downloadable one. The LLM engine, the brain is the LLM engine, the meta which we have defined up. And just we will run this particular agent dot run. Then can you give me the name of the model that has the most downloads in the next two video? task on the Hugging Face app. So if you have the pro subscription for the Hugging Face, it will give this to you. So we have seen how an agent is defined. See how an agent is defined here. We have seen how a tool is particularly defined. We just do the dot tool, then predefined tools are getting uploaded. If we want to create our own new tool, we have to use a decorator here. We can define the task, we can give the arguments what we want, and we can define that how the list model or filter or what basis most downloadable one, most new one. That all we can do in that agent. So basically, to conclude all these things, there are three things that we have seen here. One is LLM, second is agent, and fourth is tool. Okay, so agent are basically a softwares that are programs that are using as a brain, LLM as a brain. Okay, and they have tools to perform different tasks which we have the capability to overwrite it. Thank you so much for listening and coming to this channel. Please like and subscribe so I can bring you more knowledge, more basic informations. And this is my channel, Gen AI LLM at SIF. Keep smiling, keep learning, do take care of yourself. Thank you. Bye bye.